This is the game that I've been working on for the past few weeks. It's a massively multiplayer online role-playing game, also known as MMORPG. If you're unfamiliar with this genre, think of something like World of Warcraft. These games often require millions of dollars in budget and a large team of developers. But sadly, I don't have millions of dollars. So how am I gonna achieve this? The short answer is that I figured out a way to build this with virtually anyone, including you who's watching this video. I'll explain exactly how this is possible, but first, let me share why I'm doing this. It all started from a controversy that took place in Korea. Korean companies like Nexon and NCSoft have been developing these games since the 90s, making billions of dollars from their IPs. However, there's recently been a massive scandal with Nexon, allegedly stealing over $400 million from their player base by manipulating loot box probabilities, so it's near impossible to win certain items. So this got me thinking, how do you develop a successful MMORPG without going morally bankrupt? What if the game was not in a black box, but entirely transparent? And instead of having the top executives making all the decisions, what if the game was built by the community? This question was so compelling to me that I decided to build a game that is open source and also gonna be built by a community. The game is set in a post-apocalyptic world where your survival depends on fighting off mutants and undertaking risky trading convoys to earn money and upgrade your hero. I happen to be one of the creators of an open source game engine called Modo. Many game developers have used it to build their MMORPGs. Some of these games actually have been played by millions of people. Also, people have been contributing to the engine by adding RPG features such as trading, skills, inventory, and character progression. Having all of these readily available has significantly sped up the development schedule for me. I also need to build the content for the game such as monsters, items, and maps. But I'm not doing this alone. I'm building this with many creators who are categorized mainly into two groups. One group is called the World Devs, and the other is called the Map Owners. The World Devs are responsible for developing the foundational world that contains the core game logic, like in-game events, controls, essential units, and items. This work is then inherited by the individual maps, which are owned and customized by the map owners. The world's properties and game logics are entirely transparent to the public. Anyone who's playing the game can access the source code with a single click. So now you know where we have gotten so far. If you're interested in joining our journey and building this massive world together, please click on the link in the description. We'll be happy to hear from you. You don't need to be an experienced game developer, we just want to collaborate with people who resonate with our vision. If you'd like to be updated on our progress, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.